it's Chris that's out there on the boat. So he came over my dog. I didn't hit. I just tried to get him off of me. I mean, I was freaked out. All right, back up. Back up.
Okay.
Stop pushing my shit up. He's backing it. He's backing my shit.
What happens when a bar attack escalates into 4 criminal charges, including a 3rd-degree felony? Where does lawful arrest authority end and unlawful detention begin? And when a disputed act in custody is the only basis for a felony charge, what determines whether it survives trial? This footage raises precise legal questions. Every answer lives in the statute.
Bartender here.
Okay, what happened?
So it's Chris that's out there on the boat. So he came over my dog and went through the drafts, jumped over all my people, jumped over the bar through the drafts, attacked me and my bar back.
Okay.
And then he jumped back over and he went back onto the boat.
Okay. What's his full name?
Come here. I don't know. Where's Chris that just attacked us? Fucking attacked me too. Yes.
Fucking trouble.
He's on this boat now, my Chris.
Okay.
I didn't even try to say anything. He just jumped over people onto
Do
the
you
drafts.
need any medical attention?
No, I'm okay.
Right here, look at that.
Okay. All right, let me see your ID.
I don't have an idea, man. The bartender, but my bar back's really hurting. His face is going cut.
Where is it? Where is he?
You think he went upstairs to the office? Probably upstairs in the office.
Call him Mike 63714. They're no longer engaged in the physical.
Well, he really got him.
All right.
So, man,
What's going on, boss?
I don't know, you got.
that guy the guy who did it went out
Let's just
that
watch the
way.
tape and see what the hell happened.
Yeah, I was about to pull it up on the tape.
All right. Do you happen to have your ID on you, boss?
I don't.
So right here, it'd have been on next to the Red Bull.
Yeah, but a little bit over. Yeah, but right there will be somewhat of an angle.
Well, let me ask you this before we go any further. Do you want to press charges?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Well, you're gonna have to. I mean, once you see whatever happened, it's gonna be.
Okay. Well, no, I still have to ask you.
Yeah.
I still have to ask you. So.
I mean, yeah, dude, this shit's
Okay.
a little extreme for whatever he.
So we're getting
Were there any words exchanged?
Nah, dude.
He
I
just
said good morning to him and everything. Normally we get along just fine.
right here somewhere.
And he
came across the bar.
Yeah, I hadn't
jumped
seen him.
across
He
the
was-
bar and hit him apparently.
sucker punched me in the back or some shit.
He didn't even know really what happened because he wasn't looking at him when it happened. He just got fucking tackled.
No, dude.
Okay.
We get along fine.
This guy just got back from like a fishing trip or something, right? Wasn't he shrimping?
Yeah.
He was out of town. Missy said that she got hit too, so she was standing right next to you when that shit happened. It's
Yeah,
gonna be
sure.
pulling up here. I'm at 225.
Call me Mike 63714. This is gonna be a 36 Bravo suspect, no longer 1012. I'm getting a description now. And we know this guy. You're familiar with him.
Yeah. Everybody knows him.
What's his first name? Go ahead.
This is him right here. This is Ryan. He just walked through the
Okay.
entrance, so he's about to walk this way. And we'll see. I have other angles. I just don't know how much. There he goes.
What
Jesus.
the heck? Okay.
Dude, what a fucking ass. Wow. And he hit Missy. And that's normal speed.
So black shorts, black shirt, white hat,
Yeah, with the black brim looks like.
no
And
shoes.
his shorts had some sort of little, maybe repeating design on it.
Is he short, tall?
Yeah, he's kind of like here.
About 5'10".
Something like that.
Okay.
He's not tall. He's not
Does he have
tall
any
like
facial
me.
hair?
He's got facial scarring.
Okay.
Facial scarring from like acne maybe,
Okay.
and maybe some like rough looking facial hair.
Scruffy. Okay. All right. Black shirt, black shorts, white baseball cap, scruffy facial hair, 5'10", white male. No shoes.
White.
His first name's Chris. He works on the shrimp boat. None.
White nautical pattern on the black shorts.
Last time I saw him, he was headed toward the marina.
Dante's?
Yeah.
What an asshole! I'm sorry, Ryan.
All right. Flip him over for me. Yeah. And
You know, it takes a real to do some shit like that.
yeah. You're gonna have stuff on your back because he was tossing you around. Can you pull your shirt up?
We'll leave that for another day, boss.
I mean, listen. And you didn't say anything to him?
No, dude. I said hello. We're normally on good fucking terms.
Yeah.
He's here all the time, so it's random.
Okay.
There's a girl. Don't want any of this in the report. Is the problem.
Okay. Well,
I know, I
hold
can't
on
say
for 1
anything
second. Let me go get her information. Going off for a second to discuss. All right. So tell me what happened.
Okay, so as I showed you kind of where I kind of showed you on that side where all the beer taps were.
Yep.
All of a sudden, we've known this Scott idiot for a long time. So all of a sudden, I'm just waiting on a couple of people.
Yeah.
And I am, here's the beer taps right here. I'm walking away from it. And all of a sudden,
Give me 1 second.
sorry.
30. You can go ahead and 10-15. 36 Bravo. They want to pursue charges.
So all of a sudden, I can't even believe that. There's 3 taps there. He jumped over my customers. They threw the customers out of the way. Jumped over my customers.
Are you not out with my suspect?
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's
It's
all right.
not you.
I need to chill out a little bit. I've been here for 27 years. He freaked me out. Little piece of shit. It's okay.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Give me a
Don't be
second.
sorry.
I'm dealing with a bunch of clowns.
Okay?
Yeah, great.
Negative, 2 heavy set. Black shirt with a white logo on the back that may have skull and crossbones in white. Black shorts, no shoes. White baseball cap with a black trim. Ponytail, about 5'10". I'm sorry. All right.
Don't be sorry.
So yeah, I looked at the video, and from what I saw is, without any provocation, he just jumped over the bar. He was attacking Ryan. He tried to pick him up a couple times
And
and
that's
toss
when I
him.
jumped in and I
Okay.
tried to get him. I didn't hit. I just tried to get him off him. I mean, I was freaked out. I'm like, I was trying to kick him off him. I'm like, what are you doing? I couldn't even believe he was. I can't believe he flew through those drafts.
Yeah.
The poor people behind me, and then he started beating on me. So then I'm like,
Okay.
I was helping Ryan up.
So do you want to press charges, ma'am?
Oh yes,
Okay. What's your first name?
Melissa.
Okay.
I'm gonna
And you
press
have a-
charges. You gonna press charges?
Do you have a Florida ID?
I don't have it on me.
That's fine. Is it out of Florida?
Yes.
Okay.
I live-
All right. Did he hit your face at all?
No, well, he
You
came
got
out of the
some
bar.
red
And he,
right there on your. All
He
right.
hit me and flew out of the bar, but I don't think, no.
Okay.
I kind of went that way. I just reacted.
Hold your hands out for me like this. And flip them over, please. All
Those are
right.
kind of old age spots, I'm not going to lie. But
Okay.
He did get me there, and he came across the bar here and over here. I moved
Okay.
pretty quick.
All
I
right.
was just
And
trying
you
to
don't
get
you don't
Ryan
need
up.
medical attention though?
No, I'm
Okay.
okay. Thank you very much. So,
All right. We'll track him down.
I'm
Oh,
hoping
by
he
the
gets-
way,
I hope he needs medical attention.
do you happen to know his last name by chance?
No, but I know somebody does right here. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, guys.
We got nothing all the way down to Dante's. We didn't go upstairs. We went by the backside. I'm gonna go over
Going
to
off
the
to discuss.
Right?
Yeah, you can get it.
Huh?
You can get it.
Get what?
What do you got?
All right, back up.
No, you're good.
Back up.
You got it. I'll give you what
5-1.
you
I
got.
have one at Taser point. Turn around and put your hands behind your back now. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
You got me. You got me. Hey.
Turn around, dummy.
Sure, you got me. Don't do it. Don't.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you
Don't
right
push
now.
it.
I'm gonna
Ain't
tell you
nobody
right
do
now.
nothing. Don't push it.
I'm gonna tell you right now. You need to relax.
I'm already relaxed. What did I do when she told me? What did I do?
You came at me and you told me I'm gonna get it.
No, I said.
Oh, is that what you said?
No. Get out of here.
$5-1 in custody.
There you go.
All right, let me put gloves on here. I'll hold them on. You want to search?
Put me in the f***ing car.
Hey, 1
Put me
second.
in the back of the f***ing car. I ain't got nothing on me. My wallet, my nothing.
You
Oh,
live
yeah.
here?
No.
Okay, then why were you on their property? Where were you going?
I was gonna go talk to my friend.
Yeah,
Who's your
or-
friend?
Don't matter. Don't matter. Go f yourself. Take me in. Let's go. Don't f***ing push my shit up.
I'm gonna tell you right now. You need to relax.
I am relaxing. Don't push my shit. The
I'm tell you.
Stop
Relax.
pushing it.
Relax.
Stop pushing my arms
You
up.
need to relax
Stop
right
pushing
now.
my arms up. Give me my arms back. Motherfucker, you have it. Stop pushing my arms. Listen, hey, Chief. Chief, tell him to stop pushing my shit up.
Okay.
He's
Relax.
gacking
No,
it.
but listen.
He's gacking my shit.
Okay.
He's gacking it.
He's not gacking.
Brooke, call
Okay. Listen, call who?
tell him to stop gacking my shit up.
I'm
My
not
shit's,
gacking anything up.
my arms are gacked
Is he
up.
good?
I'm f***ing chiefed up.
Stuff's up on the roof. Have a seat.
You got all my f***ing shit
No,
down?
you're good.
Is he gonna keep pushing my, jacking my shit up?
I'm not.
You,
Stop.
you,
Stop. You need to relax.
you,
Okay, stop.
you.
Stop.
I didn't spit on you.
Get in there.
I didn't spit on you.
You did. You got saliva all over your. All right, relax.
You.
Okay.
Don't even put that shit in there.
well.
Don't even put the buckle up. No buckle. No buckle.
Oh, you don't get to make those decisions, right?
Yeah.
So.
What's my charges?
Why don't you? I
What's
don't
my
know. I
charges?
just got here. All right. I'm thinking battery.
So I saw him walking right at the corner where I called it out, and then he like ran off. Not ran off, but like he was stumbling. Yeah, and came around this way, and then as I'm passing these cars, I lost sight of him for a minute. Going off.
I didn't run off. You dirty little. You dirty. Hey. 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 Hey, Chief. Chief. Hey. Hey, Chief. Hey, Chief. Chief. Hey. Hey. Hey, Chief. She ain't did nothing. Hey.
Okay.
Listen. Forget the bullshit that you got the call for earlier, right? She had nothing on this. She had nothing to stop me. She had nothing to stop me, Chief. Hey, listen. You listen to me. You listen to me, and you know that I'll win this.
I understand the words coming out of your mouth, but I know.
Hey. She had nothing to stop me on my friend's property, and then she stopped me, and you guys pulled up. So you better fix that. Fix it. That's it.
Well,
I'm good. I'm good.
Detained, all right?
Good. Hey!
What?
This is where I am. Where she got me. That's it. Ain't no going nowhere further.
Oh yeah, no, you
Hey,
did. You went over the fence and everything.
No, that's my friend's house.
Oh yeah, what's your friend's name?
It don't matter.
Yeah, exactly.
You.
Oh man.
You.
So many charges.
Listen, I got all the charges. I'll take it. I'll take it. You want one? I'll kick you right in your fucking head, motherfucker. You want one? I'll give you one. Ain't nothing here. Hey, drive the out of here. Hey, drive me the out of here and take me to jail. You got something on me? You got an assault? Good. Get the out of here. Drive away. I was respectful to you.
No, I wish.
Get the out of this motherfucker. You can't stop me and say, oh, you did it.
The rear car got
Nope.
rear-ended.
Do it.
Two cars.
Do it.
Chris, relax,
Chris, my
man.
ass.
Relax.
You. That motherfucker turned on me.
Who?
That motherfucker turned on me at the bar first. What are you charging me with?
I'm not charging you with anything.
You're not? Why are you taking me?
I'm not.
somewhere?
I'm just transporting you to
Where
the
are you
jail.
taking me? Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to jail.
For what? You ain't got nothing. That hit me first, and you're gonna trust him. You're an idiot. You're stupid. You're stupid. You're taking me to jail. You're gonna sit on this. You're gonna go to bed tonight. I'm gonna be sitting there. You're gonna go to bed. You're gonna be dwelling on that. Oh,
Am I?
That dumb motherfucker. Take my ass in that jail. I'm gonna kick you right in your face.
Are you?
Yeah. You white. You're illegally detaining me. Illegally detaining me on an assault that was already assaulted before that. You idiot. You want to
Can
fucking
you just
play
notate
games?
that the subject just told me he's going to kick me right in my face?
You better use
Go up
that
to the
fucking
jail.
radio. You better use that shit.
Another waiting for you.
You dumb. Now you're a bitch.
The Fourth Amendment permits warrantless public arrests when probable cause exists. United States versus Watson, 423 U.S. 411 confirms this authority without ambiguity. Under Terry versus Ohio, 390-261, an investigatory stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion, a threshold substantially lower than a probable cause. Named witnesses, consistent, independent accounts, and corroborating surveillance footage satisfy both standards. The suspect's claim of unlawful detention carries no legal weight under either test. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, governs every use of force decision visible in this footage. The court identified three controlling factors. First, the severity of the crime at issue. Second, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat to the safety of officers or others. Third, whether the suspect is actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest. Force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision. Hindsight has no legal standing under Graham. Florida Statute Section 784.03 defines battery as actually and intentionally touching or striking another person against their will. 2 counts correspond to 2 identified victims if the attack caused great bodily harm, permanent disfigurement, or permanent disability to either victim. The charge elevates to felony battery under Florida Statute Section 784.041 with substantially increased sentencing exposure for each count. Florida Statute Section 784.07, subsection 2 reclassifies battery as a third-degree felony when committed against a law enforcement officer in the lawful performance of duty. Under Florida law, intentional spitting constitutes battery. A single disputed act converts a misdemeanor into a charge carrying a maximum sentence of 5 years. Without forensic corroboration beyond the Bodycam record, this charge faces a serious credibility challenge at trial. Florida Statute Section 509.143 prohibits violent or disorderly conduct on the premises of any licensed food or beverage establishment. Florida Statute Section 843.02 criminalizes resisting or obstructing a law enforcement officer in the lawful execution of duty without offering or threatening physical violence. Both statutes are directly and independently satisfied by the documented conduct in this case. Miranda versus Arizona 384 U.S. 436 requires rights advisements only before custodial interrogation, not upon arrest itself. Spontaneous, voluntary statements made without interrogation are fully admissible without warning. Florida Statute Section 784.01 defines assault as an intentional, unlawful threat by word or act to do violence with an apparent ability to carry it out. When directed at a law enforcement officer, the felony enhancement under Section 784.07 applies independently. 3 legal lessons from this case. First, corroborating witness testimony with surveillance footage before executing an arrest significantly strengthens the Fourth Amendment probable's cause foundation and reduces the risk of suppression. Second, forensic evidence collection at the exact moment of an alleged offense is what determines whether a disputed charge survives scrutiny at trial. Third, real-time bodycam documentation of verbal threats produces admissible evidence that may support additional charges beyond those originally filed. Case remains pending. The third-degree felony charge rests on a disputed act with no forensic confirmation in the available record. The suspect claimed provocation that contradicted every witness account, and the bodycam captured an explicit officer-directed threat that may or may not result in a separate filing. When the footage ends, the legal questions do not. What will the courtroom decide that the bodycam could not?